Welcome to a new video from the Parts channel. Well, I'm going to make a short video but I find it very interesting, answering a question that you have left me about how to check if the PCV valve works. A person who has a Toyota Corolla 1600 gasoline and has noticed that oil is coming out of the joints, then he thinks that it may be a problem with the PCV valve, and asks how he can check it. In a simple way, let's see. There is a really simple way to check it. Look. This is a Suzuki, they are similar. Look there, the engine fumes, the gases, they can only go in one direction. They cannot go back to the engine again because this is really a non-return valve. There is a way, as I said, very simple to check, just like in vacuum pumps to check the check valve. I'll leave you a link in case you haven't seen that video of the check valves. Look, here what I do is put a balloon and I blow in the direction in which the vapors from the engine would come out, the vapors that are produced in the crankcase. Now you can see the balloon that does not deflate. If this balloon deflates, it is because the valve has a problem. I already said that the vapors can only go in one direction. Well, here you have this short video. If it has been useful to you, then do not forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel.